Now, Stormwatch 12 weather on Newswatch 12 Plus.
Just a reminder, with all of these fires that have started by human and also now by lightning, the fire danger is in the extreme category. So we want to remember that. Be a beautiful day coming up for us in the Rogue Valley, though, for your Saturday. 72 at 9 a.m., 81 at the noon hour, 94 for the high. That's down 9 degrees from where we were on Friday. And that 106 we had on Thursday, down 12 degrees from the heat. So it'll still be hot, but not as hot as it has been. Monsoon moisture continues. The monsoon defined as a wind shift. In other words, normally the winds come in from the northwest. The monsoon really just means wind shifting to a different direction. And so during the summertime, the winds shift and come up from the south. And often that wind shift is accompanied by moisture. And so we call it monsoon moisture. The bottom line is it's tropical moisture, and we've had some strong to severe thunderstorms in Siskiyou County, in the Scott, and in the Shasta valleys, and there have been a lot of lightning strikes, so that area of concern for possible lightning starts on fires, and also some potential flash floods. That's how heavy the thunderstorms have been. Well, we have more rain moving across the midsection of the country and severe weather across the west with temperatures, oh, they're hot. This whole western part of the country, cooler. 70s in Minneapolis and 70 for a high in Chicago. The folks there have been in the heat for a while. They're breathing a sigh of relief. They're going to heat up and we're going to cool down. 88 was the high in Klamath Falls. 97 was the high in Grants Pass on Friday. Average is 91 and the record high 109. The record low 39. Really a big wide temperature range for the Rogue Valley this time of the year. 103 the high temperature on Friday, and average is 93, and the record high is 108, the record low 41. Again, a big temperature swing for the Rogue Valley. So the winds are going to push in from the west now. That's going to take this tropical moisture. We talked about the monsoon that's been flaring up. That'll push most of it east over towards Lakeview. So all of it will be out of Klamath County as well as much of Siskiyou County, lingering in Modoc County. But for the most part, it should be a very pleasant day in most of the area. So these thunderstorms in the overnight hours will be dying down, and lows will be in the upper 50s and low 60s across the Rogue Valley, with highs getting up into the 90s. So for the Rogue Valley, 95 in Cave Junction, 92 in Rogue River, 90. A little bit cooler up there in Douglas County with some potential late night and morning fog over the next few days. 80s and near 70 around Crater Lake. And it's just going to be delightfully nice in the Cascades. As I mentioned, a few clouds lingering, especially southern Lake County and Modoc County, but mostly 80s in the Klamath Basin. The severe thunderstorms that have been hitting across Northern California will be gone. Should be a good day for most of Northern California and the coast. We'll see the gales, but gusty winds along the immediate coastline. Otherwise, it should be very pleasant and mostly sunny skies by afternoon. Now for the Klamath Basin, 80s and sunshine and 40s for lows. The Rogue Valley will see 94, and then upper 80s, mid 80s actually, to near 90 degrees and sunny all week long. Very, very nice forecast.